What's going on, everybody? This is Chris. And so here we have is a 36-inch Hunter original ceiling fan that I have installed in my room. So this fan here, I believe, dates in 1984, at least, because when I got off on eBay, the seller said it was from '86. I was like, no, I don't think they sell. I don't think, unless this was a kind of something that, or unless they had to get rid of their stock, and so this fan here was an '86. I believe so. I don't even know. So you might be thinking, well, why did this fan here have a depth there? Well, this fan here has some sort of a oil problem. You know, I used up all the oil, and it still runs slow, so I believe, because there's sprayed oil everywhere. So I believe the fan itself is. I'm hoping to get down on the cup, but I'm hoping that it goes down to the oil cup, because, you know, just so that way the bearings are not drying out and will die on me. So here's low. Goes a bit faster than it is. I do have the video with the original blade arms, but yeah, it does wobble. You can see the blades are out of whack. I'm pretty sure you can see that. This is my graduation tassel on the fan. Every fan I have installed here has to have my graduation tassel on it, because I need a place to hang it. Here's high speed. It has a cool startup mode to it, which I like. But it does push out some air. More air than the reverse air. That's something that I wanted. All right. Let's go ahead and reverse the blade pitch. The reason why this canopy's like this because it's missing a screw. I lost a screw somewhere, so I need to find it, or find a one that's the exact same piece like that. But other than that, I guess everything seemed fine. But yeah. So this is low. And high. I might put a capacitor on it so that way it can have a low speed, but I'm thinking I can feel comfortable during the winter when this fan's on low and I have my space heater going while reading a book or going to sleep. But I keep this fan up on high 24/7 because, yeah. When I'm in the house, so. Spin down. There's a rough spot on the fan, on the bearing, I believe. So the spin down might be a little bit short, but we'll see. With these lighter blades, so I believe the spin down might be short. And there you have it. This is my, I believe, 1984 or a used up stock 1986 Hunter original ceiling fan, 36 inch with adapter blades. Thank you.